Marami akong patients, maraming tanong about Reduran. Today, let's answer yung mga frequently asked questions nyo. Una, Doc, filler ba ang Reduran? Ngayon kasi marami ng patients ayaw ng filler, so gusto nilang malaman kung filler ba siya or hindi. Hindi siya filler, guys. It doesn't volumize the skin. When we say filler, ang fini-filler natin, lips, nose, cheeks, it gives instant volume. Si Reduran, we classify it as a skin booster. Pampaganda siya ng quality ng skin for enlarged pores para mag-heal ng maganda yung skin. Next common question, Doc, makikita ko ba kaagad yung result? For me, ang sagot dyan is yes, makikita agad, pero hindi bukas ha. Kunwari ginawa mo today, bukas makikita mo na. In my experience, I see some result in 1 week, best results in 2 weeks. Kung may ganap ka, kunwari may wedding kang a-attendan or something, hindi pwedeng bukas na yung wedding na mo gagawin. Gawin mo siya at least 2 weeks before the event. Pero mas maganda, 4 weeks para sure. Third question, Doc, ilang sessions ba talaga yung kailangan ko? 1 session, honestly, may makikita ka ng magandang result. Pero kung gusto mo, yung best, when we say best, yun na yung pinaka ma-achieve talaga ng pinakamaganda ng skin mo, we really advise 3 sessions, 3 to 4 weeks apart. Kung gusto mo ng parang patikim lang, kikinis ka, 1 session, okay na. Pero kung gusto mo yung best glass skin talaga, mas maganda matapos mo 3 sessions, 3 to 4 weeks apart.